Kovu omonene w'ekikanisa kye ACK gorwa ase chinsemo kya Kitui Gideon Muneni Bamotogirie omurai bw'ense asukuliye chinchira cy'obung'aini mono cyogokonya gose cyokuliye kibesa ky'amagenderero Kenya wetera National Infrastructure Fund asatebire umurobero iyo nigo urachie kwenekya amakabesa kurwase chinse chesiko akeanire olireira chikanisa kya ACK kurwa Mubwate siya Murai Ruto ase amentire buna Murai Ruto okoliro mukia bwokubwatania abakenya bonsi.
Finally, Your Excellency, allow me to commend you for your commitment to fostering national unity and equitable development. Today, we are witnessing development reaching every part of Kenya, from Wajir to Kisii, from Kitui to every corner of our nation. Hiyo ndiyo Kenya tunayoitaka. A Kenyan where every region matters. Every citizen counts. One nation, one people, one agenda. Your Excellency, I want to state categorically kwamba sisi kama watu wa Kitui, sisi kama kanisa la ACK, Diocese of Kitui, tuko nyuma yako. We have no apologies for that. We are solidly behind you. Tunazidi kukuombea. Tunazidi kukuunga mkono katika yale yanaoleta maendeleo katika nchi yetu. We are totally behind you. May God bless you. May God bless your family. May God bless your government. And may God bless the Republic of Kenya. We also commend your visionary economic leadership. Through the establishment of the National Infrastructure Fund, Kenya now has a sustainable mechanism for financing national development. It is highly commendable that the fund has already mobilized Kenya shillings 350 billion. This remarkable achievement is reducing our dependence on expensive borrowing while strengthening investor confidence and enhancing the nation's economic